Are done. Okay, so we are working still exponential equations. So here's the issue. In order to take the log of both sides, I need to have the factor that's got the x in it by itself. So the first thing I need to do is to divide both sides by 5 so that I have 0.2 to the x power is equal to 2/5. Now I have the term to the x power by itself, so I'll just take the log of both sides because I can't write 2/5 to the 0.2 power. I'm not sure even if I could do that. So I take the log of both sides. So that says the log of 0.2 to the x equals the log of 2/5. And I'm using log base 10 because that's what's on my calculator. You could use natural log if you like. So bring down the x using the properties of logarithms. The log of 0.2 equals the log of 2/5. And if you wanted to change these to decimal numbers at this point, you could. I would accept either answer. Now, this is a number. This is a number. The goal is to get the x by itself regardless. So I'm going to divide both sides by the log of 0.2 log of 0.2 cancels out on one side, so x is the log of 2/5 divided by the log of 0.2. That's an exact answer. And you can leave it that way. Unless it's an application problem, you don't need to turn it into a decimal. But I can if I like. And I think on your test, I think I had everything to about two decimal places. Log of, I'll know more tomorrow or Monday, to divide 5. The test is written, and it went over to reproduction, but log of 0.2. And it's approximately 0.57. So either one is fine. But if you're operating at this level, stop there. It's kind of like a quit while you're ahead scenario. I don't go any further than I absolutely have to, because the chances of my making an error end up being pretty good. Now I've got the same scenario here. I've got something times, this is the guy who has the x. So that means I don't want that 9 there. Divide both sides by 9. So that e to the x equals 11. Now I could use log or I could use natural log. Because this is e, I'm going to use ln because e goes away that way. So take the natural log of both sides. So the natural log of e to the x equals the natural log of 11. Bring the x down in front. So x, natural log of e, is the natural log of 11. Natural log of e is, what is it?
1.
1, yeah. Now remember, natural log e is log base e of e. That's what makes it 1. Properties of log says that log base a of a is 1, so log base e of e is 1. So this just says x equals the natural log of 11, which again is an exact answer. And if you want to make it approximate, you can, don't care.